Hi, boys and girls. It's number time. What number have we been looking at this week at preschool? Well, let's see if you remember. What number is this? Oh, this is 30. Remember, when the 3 is at the front, we say 30, and 30 is 30. And later on, we'll be doing 31, and then we'll do 32. So every time there's a 3 in front, we say 30. And this one, because there's a 0 here, is just plain old 30. Okay? So this is number 30. Oh, we've been doing 20 numbers for so long, and here we finally switched. All right, we are going to be doing some sorting, and today our numbers will be 28, 29, and 30. So 28 is a 2, 8, 29 is a 2, 9, and 30 is our 3 and our 0. All right, so let me get the numbers here, and you tell me what number is this? Is that a 29? Remember, the 2 at the front is 20. And then you just say the next number. So 29. And does that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? It does go in the middle. All right, what number is this? Oh, it's our new number this week, 30. That's 30. Does that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? It does go at the bottom. All right, what number is this? Remember, it's 28. Good. Does that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? Up at the top, which means we have 2 number cards for each number. All right, what number is this? Remember, it's 20, and then say this number, 8. Good. Is that at the top, the middle, or the bottom? Oh, it's up at the top. Well, we just had 28, didn't we? Oh my goodness. What number is this? Is that 30? That's our new number. Remember, 3 first and then a 0 is just 30. Does that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? It does go at the bottom. Oh my goodness. Let me see if I can make it be straighter. All right, what number is this? Oh goodness, it's 29, isn't it? All right, does that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? It does go in the middle, and now every number has 3 number cards. All right, what number is this? Is that 28? Oh my goodness, it is. With a 2 and then an 8. Does that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? It does go up at the top. All right. What number is this? Is that a 30 again? With the 3 and then the 0. Does that go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? It does go at the bottom. And then I have one more. What number is this? 29. That's right. Does it go at the top, the middle, or the bottom? It goes in the middle. And now we have 4 number cards for every number here. Can you see them all? That's 28 with the 2 and then the 8. Here's 29 with the 2 and then the 9. And here's 30, and it's just 3 and a 0. And that's always going to be 30. Okay, very good, boys and girls. All right, we should probably use our fingers to count. Do you think we can? Oh, this is going to get exciting. All right, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do your fingers look like that? Okay, now we have to add on 6, 7. Okay, how are your fingers looking? 8, 9. Do you have your fingers like this? And then 10. Oh, I like 10 because you could just put both hands up. All right, and then to do 11, we have to go 10 and 1. 12 is 10 and 2. 13 is 10 and 3. 14, 10 and 4. How do your fingers look? 15, 10 and 5. 16, 10 and 6. How do your fingers look? 17, 10 and 7. 18, 10 and 8. Look at your fingers. 19, 10 and 9. All right, and then 20 is 10 and 10. All right, now 21, 10, 20, 1. 22 is 10, 20, 2. 23, 10, 20, 3. 24, 10, 20, and then go 4. You have your fingers like this. 25, 10, 20, 5. That's easy, isn't it? Okay, 26, 10, 20, 6. Oh, 27, 10, 20, 7. 28, 10, 20, and then 8. Do you have your fingers like this? 29, 10, 20, 9. Oh, and then 30, you'll love it. 10, 20, 30. Oh my goodness, very good. And I don't know about you, but my fingers, I think they're getting stronger because we're exercising them so much. All right, the next thing we want to do is learn how to write the number 30. And we have to write 2 numbers for that, don't we? We have to write a 3 and a 0. So to do a 3, you have to say, and you start at the top, around and around like a bee. Buzz. That's the way to make a 3. Around and around like a bee. That's the way to make a 3. And you can go buzz too. One more time. Around and around like a bee. Buzz. That's the way to make a 3. Do you want to see what that looks like on the whiteboard? Now we have to remember with our letters and our numbers, we start at the top. So 3 is like this, around and around like a bee. And we do it again, around and around like a bee. And one more time, around and around like a bee. That's the way to make a 3. And zeros are pretty easy, aren't they? You just start at the top and you go around and you end up with a 0, don't you? All right, let's try that with our finger in the air. So we start at the top and then start at the top and around you go. That's the way to make a 0. Start at the top and around you go. That's the way to make a 0. Start at the top, around you go. That's the way to make a 0. All right, so I'll do some zeros on the board. So I started at the top and I went around and back to the top. That's a 0. 0. Start at the top and around you go. That's the way to make a 0. Those are kind of fun. All right, now to make 30, we have to put the 3 and the 0 together, don't we? So let me do that on the whiteboard and you can kind of follow along. All right, to make the 3, we go around and around like a bee. And then that's the way we make a 3. And then we start at the top and around we go. And that's the way to make a 0. So this is 130. Let's make another one. Around and around like a bee. That's the way to make a 3. And then start at the top and around you go. That's the way to make a 0. So we have 1 30 and 2 30s. Okay. All right. Then the next thing we're going to do is look at a PowerPoint that has 28, 29, and 30. All right, let's see if we can say which one is which, okay? All right. So here we go. What number is this? Is this our new number that we've been studying this week? There's the 3, there's the 0, so this is 30. This number starts with a 2, so we say 20. What number is this? 8, 28. Oh, this number starts with a 2, ends with a 9, so we say 29. How about this one? 2 and then an 8, so this is 20, and say this number, 28. Oh my goodness, a 2 and then a 9, so we say 20, and what's this number? 29. Oh, here's our new number, a 3 and then a 0. Remember, that is 30. Can you say 30? Good. All right. Oh, look, there's a 2 and then an 8 written with hearts. So 2 is 20 and 8, you just say 8, and that's 28. Oh, here's our new number again. Here's our 3 and then our 0. So what number is that? 30. Here's a 2 and then a 9. So we say 29. That's right. Oh, this is kind of fun. We have a 3 and we have a 0. So this is 30. Oh, we have a 2 and then an 8. So we say 20 and this number is 8. So it's 28. Oh my goodness, a 2 and a 9. 20 and say this number. 9, that's right. Oh, what is this? That's a 3 and a 0. So that is 30. Very good. You know what, boys and girls, I know some of these numbers are tricky. We're just learning them. So you will know these numbers the more and more we go through them. And when you get to kindergarten, you'll be able to remember them, okay? All right, so that's 20, 29, and 30. Can you see them now? All right, now let's just review all the numbers that we have looked at so far. And I have them in groups. So I have 1 through 10 first. Speaking of 1, what number is this? I know, it is 1. What number is this? 6. What about this one? 3, good job. What is this? 10. You are right. What number is this? 2, good job. What about this? 8. What number is this? 4, that's right. What number is this? 7. And our last one in that group, 5. And many of you are 5, so you know that, don't you? All right, let's go to, you know what? I think we have one number that Mrs. Becker notices we missed. Let's see here. Oh, we did. What number is this? 9. Oh, it got put in the wrong stack. Okay, now we have 11 through 19. 11 through 19. Do you think you can help me with those? All right, so these are all teens. So it's 1 first and then a 5. So the 1 at the beginning reminds us it's a teen. And we say 15 for this one. Can you say 15? What about this one? 1 first, then a 9. It's a teen. This one is 19. Now this one's a tricky one. Even though it's a teen, it's a 1 and a 1, and we say 11. We don't even say the word teen in there, do we? This is a 1 and then an 8, so that's 18. What about this one? 1 and then a 3 is 13. And then we have a 1 and then a 7, so this is 17. Oh, this is a 1 and a 2. This is 12. You don't have the teen word in that one, so there are 2 that don't have teen in them. All right, 1 and a 6. This is 16. And what about this one? A 1 and then a 4 is 14. Right. You know what? This one's a little different from all the other numbers that we're going to be doing here, because when the 1 is in front, we know it's a teen, but teen is at the end of the word, and you actually say this number first. I know. That's what I mean. Things can get really, really tricky. All right. Now we have 20 through 29. All right. So on this one, the 2's first, so we say 20, and then we say this number. So this is 26. What about this one? 20, what's this number? 2, that's right, 22. 25, good. And this is plain old 20 because it's a 2 and a 0, okay? What number is this? 20, say this number, 1, that's right. What about this one? 20, what number is this? 7, good. I have another one here. 20, say this number, 3, that's right. 20, say this number, 8, good. And I think I have, 2 more. 24 and 20, say this number, 9, good job. All right, and then I have one left, and I don't want to tell you what it is. What is this? The 3 and then the 0. That's the number we've been doing this week. This is 30, isn't it? Oh my goodness, boys and girls, we have learned a lot of numbers this year, haven't we? All right, thanks for helping me with numbers. I will talk to you about numbers again next week. All right, bye-bye.